In the next part of the video, we're going to look at finding the gradient of this first 5 seconds of this displacement time graph. So as before, we're going to do the change in the vertical divided by the change in horizontal, which can be written as change in y divided by the change in x. So I'm going to draw in my triangle again for this part, which helps me see. So to find the change in the vertical, I'm going to do the final vertical value, which is 100, minus the starting vertical value, which is 0, which gives me 100. And in the horizontal, I'm going to do the final horizontal value, which is 5, minus the starting horizontal value, which is 0, which gives me 5. So then I will have 100 divided by 5, which would give me 20. And you'll notice, because this started at the origin, like the previous one, we could just have read off this point and done 100 divided by 5. But that will only work because it started at the origin. So now, to work out the units, we need to look at the units for the vertical, which is in meters, and then divided by whatever the unit in the horizontal is, which is seconds, which gives us 20 meters per second. And that also gives us a clue as to what we've actually found, which was by doing displacement divided by time, we've found the velocity or speed of 20 meters per second.